Hello curious student. So today you and I are going to understand how to detect a click outside pop-up and how to close the pop-up when such click happens. For example, we have a Desi, chai and samosa menu here, and when I click on this menu we have the actual menu items listed. When I click on close button, the menu pop-up closes as expected, but interesting thing is when I click on outside the window here, also in that cases the pop-up closes, and this is one thing which is actually beneficial when we are developing pop-up menus, that whenever a outside click is detected, even in that cases sometimes the pop-up needs to be closed. So how do you handle this in a React app? Let's try to understand that. So this is the code which is generated using Google Gemini, and the first thing that we do is we first set the menu state using useState variable, that is whether the menu is open or not. Next is we use a ref, and in that ref we first assign the value as null. Then we create a pop-up menu like this, which some divs, some button to toggle the menu, and on click on this button the menu opens. So on click we have a toggle menu option where the is menu option is toggled. Next we come to the pop-up, where if the is menu option is opened, then the pop-up is opened and we have the options listed down here. We have the close button in which we set the is menu open to true, false, and then we have the styles for some animation like the animated opening and closing of the menu. Interesting thing here is the ref, which is the menu ref is now assigned to the parent pop-up element of the parentmost element of the pop-up. And what we do is in the use effect we first detect an outside click, and how do we do that is that we add an event listener, and whenever the menu is open we initialize this click listener, and in this click listener what we do is in the event, if the menu ref dot current is present, and in the event dot target if the menu ref dot current is present, then we set the menu to false, and if not then we let the menu let be. For example, if I click within the menu here, then you can see that the menu does not close, but when I click on outside the menu closes. So for that what we do is we first check whether the event dot target is present in the menu ref, or the menu ref is the event target, and if it is there then we don't close the menu, and if it is not there then we close the menu, that is the external click has happened. Similarly, for cleaning up this use effect we have a remove event listener, where on mouse down we remove the click listener. So it's a simple short code like just around 6 lines of code which will help you in detecting the outside clicks and closing the menus like this. So this was a simple example of how we can detect outside clicks of out of the menu, and we can close the menus accordingly. So hope you found this simple short video useful, and for more such videos subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you found this video informative. So that's it from my end for today. Thank you, have a nice day. Goodbye.